morning. It's a Saturday morning, April 11, 2026, 6:50 a.m. We are here in Daang Rumble Strips. We are here in Daang Hari, northbound. We just came from Evia, so this is a fairly sloping down or downhill or descent towards northbound towards Alabang Zapote Road. So on the right is the Bilibid Reservation. Fairly quiet Saturday morning. On my bike computer, the time is showing as 6:51 a.m. So ayan, may mga motorcycles, may PUV, di na sa jeep ang tawag dito. Sorry, hindi na sa jeep, hindi na jeep ang tawag dyan. Multi-cab, yun tawag dyan, multi-cab. Mas maliit, mas mabiling mapuno, and I think mas tahimik. Alright, peaceful, serene. So as of April 11, diesel prices nasa around diesel prices, it's around 170 pesos per liter, and I think yung gas around 100 to 120 pesos per liter. So meron ng truce between US, Israel, and Iran, and we're hoping na this would lead to negotiations rather than escalation of armed conflict. And we're praying na mag-normalize na yung mga gas, petrol prices. Maraming affected for unilateral action. Alright, some slope, bit of a slope, 1.5, 2.4, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8. On our right is Katarungan Village. Ayan. Level na. distance covered is showing as 17.7 kilometers. Elevation 60. Moving time 1 hour 2 minutes. So dito lang tayo sa painted bike lane. May markings naman na ayan, may pintura. So bike, pero pinapasukan pa rin ng mga motorcycles and ng mga cars. Overtaking lane, parking lane, or waiting lane. Alright. According to some reports, news reports, because of the high prices, some jeepney drivers has decided to stop driving their jeepneys. Kulang ang kita, the income is not enough. So yes, anecdotal, meron tayong kakilala that who stopped his jeepney driving. Right now he's into construction works. Well, that's our prayer that the conflict be settled through peaceful negotiations. Kita walang gaya, sabi nga. Some motorcycles, well, a lot are using the bike lane for overtaking. Alright, so this is the video. Thank you for riding with me. Thank you for watching. See you later.